so we're just fishing a DOA on a Z-Man jig head and just popping it along the bottom. We already caught one trout, but I just got bit again. There's a little whiting. There's a little whiting with the little sucker right there. Nice little whiting. Is that what it is? Alright, there's a stinger. Stingray.
They fight like good fish.
Yeah, I eat some of that bird seed. I'll bring him over here. I have some pliers.
You don't need pliers. Just step on his tail.
Here's the rat I just caught, guys. It's probably about a maybe 15, 16 incher. Let's get him unhooked. Here, set him down real quick. Ow! I literally just got my finger on his tooth. Let's see. Yeah. There we go. We're gonna take him and measure him now. Got him?
Alright, he's 20.
He is.
I see he's like 15. 16 and a half.
Is it at 0?
Yeah, he's like
Right at 0. Yeah, right at 0. He is about a 16
and a half.
16 and a half, 17 inch, like 16 and a half.
16 and a half.
16 and a half incher. So he's a keeper.